You going down. People of the world. Redbeard in my car. Shocking. Local chip stand called Miso and Shiso. They make Japanese infused, like, plant-based food. And this is their kimchi dog. It's got kimchi and horseradish mayo and, wasabi mayo. Crispy onions. Their secret sauce. It's got so much stuff on it. It's a plant-based dog. Never tried them before. Let's try it. Oh my. That just explodes with flavor. Mmm. It just keeps going. And there's samurai fries. This is like a freaking 10.5. Get some.